Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Betterment Hall Ticket app full guide. Start by gathering your ID, application number, and any payment receipts. Visit the official portal with a stable connection and log in carefully. Check the application status and correct any missing fields immediately. Save screenshots of each step for proof. Follow deadlines strictly and reach out to support if issues persist. Begin by creating an account on the portal and verify your email or phone number. Use the exact name and date of birth as on your ID to prevent mismatches. Upload documents in the specified file type and keep file sizes within limits. Complete the payment step and download the payment confirmation. Review the filled form once more before submission to ensure everything is accurate and complete. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free cleaning, voice control, and smart mapping that learns your home. It's great for busy students prepping without wasting study time on chores. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your submission shows errors, read the message and correct the exact field indicated. Try a different browser or clear cache and cookies to resolve technical glitches. Keep screenshots of any error pages and the steps you took to fix them. If problems persist, contact support with your application number and screenshots for faster help. Stay patient and document every interaction for reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.